The next menu item is the plugins menu item, and plugins are little pieces of software that extend the WordPress functionality. Could be anything from a shopping cart to a calendar or a poll. But if you wanted to add a new plugin, you'd click on this Add New button, and it would allow you to search. And then you could read about the various results, look at how many stars they got, look for something that fits the functionality you're looking for, and then you would just click Install Now, and it would install it. This website is using this duplicator plugin, which is the plugin that I use for backing up the site. And I'll talk about that in a bit because it's down here on the menu. And then a limit login attempts, which helps to prevent spammers or hackers from logging into the site. Next one is users. So I have my user here. Let's add a new user. We'll add Allie Hen. One word. Put the email in. And type in a password. And send the password, and then you can decide on a role. We'll make Allie an administrator. That means she has full privileges. Want to use a strong password. Strong password is at least 7 characters long and uses upper and lowercase letters and symbols like that. So we'll add the new user, and it's going to fail because I didn't get the password correctly in there, but I'll do that in a minute off video. The next one is tools, and there's really nothing here that I need to speak about or that you are going to use. The next one is settings, and these are some of the things you need to use. Some of these settings to make the site go live at the portersimon.com domain. You can page through these other ones. They're not settings that you probably need to worry about. And the next one is the duplicator plugin. And so WordPress website has a number of files that are on the server. It's called a web application, and then it also uses a database. And so what this plugin does is it backs up both the database and the file structure. So all you do is start by scanning the site, and then it'll tell you whether everything's going to work. And there's a warning for large files, but that's not a warning that's a deal breaker. So I can go ahead and build the package, and it'll take a couple of minutes for it to build. So I may not run the video for the entire time, but there'll be 2 files then that need to be downloaded and stored somewhere, and then the site can be completely restored from that. So it's probably a good idea to do this backup probably once every 6 months or anytime you make major changes to the site. And that's about it for this section.